Alright, just hurt myself. It's almost, it's not bloody yet, not deep enough to bleed, but almost. From this pry bar I have. So you get this at Home Depot. This is basically a nail puller. Man, this thing's trash. See, I let someone use my tools, and look what they did to it. They freaking hammered it with a freaking metal hammer, dude. Right on the side of here. What the hell, really, dude? So anyways, this is a nail puller you can get at Home Depot, made in Japan. Very good tool. Home Depot has several different versions of this type of tool, but this is the only one that I suggest you get. The Japanese know how to make this steel, and so I have another one, a little small one. So I'm gonna use this thing and see what happens. Well, actually, let me use this other one and see what happens. What I'm concerned when I'm pulling this up is I'm concerned that this edge here will like poke my eye out. Let's see, man. Nope, no space. Actually, if I go sideways, there's space. So if I go sideways like this, with that little tap here, like this, and hopefully I could like pull it up this way. Let's see. Oh, man. Oof. Alright, I think I might need the big one. Use this big one. Let me wipe this off first. It's kind of dusty. Seems like I have drywall dust or something. Remember, you want to keep your, don't want anything to drop into the transmission, and don't want any dirt or anything like that to be dropped in there. Otherwise, you're gonna ask for trouble there. And I can see the whole transmission wiggling. It actually wiggles. How the hell did they pry this off? Oh, Jesus. That thing's so big. Let me try the smaller one again. That one was so big that I didn't like having space to pry. Ooh. I think this might work. Oh, come on. There it goes. So basically I went like this, and I just kind of did that. So the little tab was like so, and I just kind of tilted this way, and that actually lifted it up. So pry it off. Here we go. Whoa, look at that transmission oil. Oh, that thing is full. I didn't know the transmission oil went up that high. Maybe there's a pump somewhere that pumped the oil up this direction. But man, so you see the gasket material there. So now basically you need to get let's wipe off the oil first. Wipe all the oil off first, if there is any. Actually, this one actually is pretty dry because the oil didn't actually reach up. Doesn't reach up much, so it's relatively dry. So what you want to do is you want to get your razor and you clean up the surface. Actually, you don't need to clean this surface because you're not going to reuse this one. This one is not going to be reused. You're going to be they have their own version. So you'll use I think they have their own version. You know what? I think they have their own version. You use theirs, and you have to clean up the bottom side, the gasket down here. So I'm gonna do that off camera because that's gonna take a while to do that cleaning. So when you do that, be careful. Don't get any crap in here. Don't get any nuts and bolts, any metal stuff in here. Just take it real slow, real easy with your razor. So I have my little razor right here. I'm just take it real slow. The good thing is that down here is basically it's outside. So I'm just gonna push whatever crap out here, and it's just gonna drop down to the floor. So I don't care. But basically, that you use the razor just to scrape it, scrape it from the middle out. That way you don't have crap dropping into your transmission. Okay. So I'm gonna do that off camera, and when I'm done, I will start another video.